review of dash cam from Mangoal. This is for Jeep Renegade 2019. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have. And the dash cam, turn on and off, and here is it, take a picture. And dash cam is right there. After we install, we're gonna take it out. Power plug. These are parts of the dash cam, rear camera, and the cable. 3M tape, SD card, 128 GB. Here is the power cable plug. And we have the tool. These are all the tools we need to install. Let's go ahead and install it. Take this out. Now we're done. And we can go ahead and install it. Here is the old one. And this is the new one. Just take this out. And then this is gonna come out also. Next thing is we're just gonna remove this. It's a little bit hard. Let's continue. Finally. That, let's take it out. And the next step is we're just gonna remove this. And we're gonna get the electricity from here. Let's plug this. That's wonderful. We're just gonna put this back right there. You see, that's the power source. Let's continue plug it in. Now we are done with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the backup camera and let's test it first, if it's working or not. Here is the backup connection. Now we are done. I'm done with the connection right now. And go ahead and turn on the car. Now it's on. The camera is working properly. We'll get the cable from here to there. And it's not gonna be a problem. Complete this connection right there. Then we are ready to close this area. And let's do the connection right there. Make sure you're getting these from the original one and put them on the new one. Let's take it out. And now we have 3. Let's put them there one by one. And here is the last one. That's it. Let's put this back. Now it's working properly. I'm just gonna put this piece. And here is the last piece. Alrighty. This is what we have so far. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the application and show you the video quality. This is how you see from inside. And this is how you see from outside. 128 GB. Let's put this. Now it's active. This is our application. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Open. Let's open it. And it says add a camera. And we will add the camera. Allow. Let's turn on the accessory mode. And we can join. Right now it's recording even though you're not seeing it. It's connected. Now it's connected. Wow, look at that. The quality is awesome. Let's check the back camera and the front camera. And you can stop the recording and start recording. And you can take a picture. This is awesome. You can check the album and more. Let's check the settings. Sound recording, speaker volume, image resolution, that's 12 megapixels. And video resolution is 4K Full HD. Exposure compensation, timestamp. There is collision sensing also. Let's go back to settings. Parking monitoring collision detection. We can turn it on. And monitoring duration. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. This is high. And parking collision detection. High. In 48 hours. That's the monitoring duration. And you can download the videos from here. See, all of them are here. Check the quality. And there's timestamp and date stamp. I'm gonna show it to you during the daytime. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and close the door, unlock the car, and let's see the parking monitoring system is gonna work or not, or parking collision. Right now it's working. You can hear the sound. Now it's recording. Let's check it out. There is loop, snapshot, locked, and parking. Parking. Let's see. Let's play. You see. And it is also recording the back. If you have Android radio, you can also install it on your radio. Let's open. Agree. And the camera. I connected to the Wi-Fi. And now it's connected. Don't you think this is awesome? Before you install the rear camera, you need to check if it's upside down or not. You see the arrow? It's supposed to be going down, and now it's good. We can go ahead and put the rear camera somewhere there, and we can watch it. Don't forget to clean the area, and I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. That's awesome. Right there. Let's check the rear camera. I need to adjust it. Adjust it a little bit down. Now it's good. Let's see. Alrighty. I like that. Let's go for a walk. This is the rear camera. Let's look at the front camera. Right now you see only preview, but it is recording 4K. And here is the rear view. We can change this. I'm gonna go ahead and hide the cable right there. I am done with this area, and we're just gonna continue putting it inside. See, it is very easy to put it inside. I'm just gonna continue putting this. Wow, that was easy. If you have extra, you can just put it inside. It's not gonna bother anything because we have additional cable. Now I'm done with everything. I think I installed it very professionally. I don't want to brag about that, but yes. Make sure this area is clean. Wonderful. Okay, now in the morning, daytime, we can see that is very clear. Let's see the back camera. I can definitely suggest this product is because it's like the original parts. It has also GPS assistant. Let's see. Let's check it out during daytime. Right there. It seems fantastic. It's right there, but I'm not able to see it right now. We can download the footages from here one by one. And right there, during parking time, it records everything. This is only one day. I'm gonna put the original footage and we can go ahead and check it out. This has also a GPS assistant, timeline, AR effect, video overlay, license plate recognition, Google Drive, AR effect skin, GPS assistant, that's kind of new, timeline, privilege details, license plate recognition, Google Drive, AR/FX skin. Now the car is recording the video and the sound at the same time. Let's go ahead and drive around and I will show you the recording. It's recording the front at the same time back. The quality is 4K. You can also change the quality for the front and the back.
Demokrat içlenir hatırladıkça izlerini o günleri geliyor.